Hello students, hope you all are doing well. I'm Supreet Kaur, welcomes all of you on our YouTube channel Smart PTE Tricks. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your love and support. And today I'm here to announce that now we are arranging our online classes again. For some circumstances, we were not arranging online classes and we got some complaints from all of you who are interested. But now we are arranging online classes on time, especially reading and speaking modules. And if you are interested, you can contact us on the number given below, as our contact preferences are changed now. And again, I would like to thank all of you from depth of my heart, because with your love and support we are reaching here. And keep supporting.
Now, I am thrilled to take you on a journey to explore the Great Barrier Reef, one of the most stunning and important natural wonders of our world. This vibrant underwater ecosystem is not just a spectacle of beauty but also plays a crucial role in the environmental health of our planet. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is the largest coral reef system in the world. It is home to an incredible diversity of marine life, including thousands of species of fish, corals, and other sea creatures. This biodiversity makes it a critical habitat for conservation and a natural laboratory for scientists studying marine ecology. However, the Great Barrier Reef faces significant threats, primarily from climate change. Rising sea temperatures have led to coral bleaching, endangering this vibrant ecosystem. The reef's health is a crucial indicator of the overall health of our oceans and the planet. The Great Barrier Reef is more than just a beautiful destination, it's a vital part of our global ecosystem.
In today's lecture, I'm delighted to take you back in time to explore the historical impact of the Silk Road. This ancient network of trade routes not only facilitated the exchange of goods but also acted as a bridge between civilizations, cultures, and ideas. The Silk Road, spanning from China to the Mediterranean, was instrumental in the trade of precious goods like silk, spices, tea, and gold. However, its significance extends beyond commerce. It was a conduit for cultural exchange, allowing for the movement of philosophies, religions, and even artistic styles across continents. This cross-cultural interaction played a crucial role in the development of the societies it connected. For example, the Silk Road facilitated the spread of Buddhism from India to East Asia and brought Chinese inventions like paper and gunpowder to the West. The legacy of the Silk Road is a testament to the power of connectivity and exchange.
In this presentation, I'm excited to delve into the revolutionary role of antibiotics in modern medicine. The discovery of antibiotics marked a turning point in medical history, drastically changing the way we treat infections. Before the advent of antibiotics, simple infections could be deadly, and surgeries were high-risk procedures. The introduction of penicillin in the 1940s, discovered by Alexander Fleming, changed everything. It became the first widely used antibiotic, turning once fatal diseases into treatable conditions. Antibiotics have not only saved countless lives but also have played a critical role in advancing medical procedures. They made complex surgeries safer and organ transplants possible by preventing and treating bacterial infections. However, it's crucial to address the growing concern of antibiotic resistance due to overuse and misuse. This highlights the importance of responsible antibiotic use and ongoing research for new treatments. In conclusion, antibiotics are a cornerstone of modern medicine, dramatically improving our ability to fight infections.
Today, I'm thrilled to share insights into the mysterious and largely unexplored deep ocean. This vast and enigmatic part of our planet holds secrets that scientists are only beginning to understand. The deep ocean is home to some of the most unusual and fascinating creatures. These species have adapted to extreme conditions of darkness, cold, and high pressure. For instance, the anglerfish, with its bioluminescent lure, is a testament to the unique adaptations required for survival in such an environment. Furthermore, the deep sea plays a crucial role in our planet's health. It's a major carbon sink, helping to regulate the Earth's climate. The deep-sea ecosystems also contribute to the cycling of nutrients, essential for supporting life both in the ocean and on land. In conclusion, the deep ocean is not just a place of darkness and mystery, it's a vital part of our world, with profound implications for environmental science and biology. As we continue to explore these depths, we unlock more of Earth's hidden wonders.
I want to focus on the critical role each of us plays in sustainable living and environmental conservation. As global environmental issues like climate change and pollution escalate, individual actions have never been more important. One key area is our daily choices. By opting for environmentally friendly products, reducing waste, and conserving energy, we contribute to a healthier planet. For example, choosing to bike or walk instead of driving reduces carbon emissions, and opting for reusable items over single-use plastics helps decrease pollution. Moreover, awareness and education play a significant role. Understanding the impact of our actions on the environment motivates us to make more sustainable choices. This knowledge can also be spread within our communities, leading to a collective effort towards environmental conservation. Every small action counts in the fight against environmental degradation. By adopting sustainable practices in our daily lives,